Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Dan in Pennsylvania on this Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Dan, we got our glowing red. You ordered the red LED light and the grill cover, as well as the basic tuning alignment and Toshiba voltage regulator. So let's start with the RF power turn down. 500 watt slug, 25 all the way down, and we have full adjustability if you set to run a big amp. 125 all the way up. Average power swing, hello, at 270. 1000 watt slug and peak, hello, 700 PEP. All right, Dan, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.